Struggling to find Xray in Jira's marketplace? You're not alone. It's one of those things that should be simple, but if you don't know exactly where to click, it can feel like you're searching for a needle in a haystack. In about 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to install it step by step. By the end, you'll have Xray up and running, ready to manage your test cases. So here's the plan. First, log into your Jira account. Then we'll navigate to Apps, search for Xray, and complete the free trial setup. I've recorded this exact walkthrough in a live Jira environment, so every click you'll hear about is one I've made myself. Let's get into it. Start with the first step. Open your Jira account. Now, this might sound obvious, but make sure you're logged into the instance where you actually want Xray installed. If you have multiple Jira sites, pick the right one. You'll land on your project dashboard or backlog screen. That's our starting point. Now, on the left side panel, click on Apps. This is the sidebar menu. You'll see it with a little grid icon or the word Apps written out. Just click it. This opens up the Apps Management area. A lot of folks miss this step and search the general marketplace from a browser, which can cause confusion. Trust me, you want to stay inside Jira for this. Then, click on Explore More Apps. You'll see a button or a link that says exactly that. Click it, and it will take you to the Atlassian marketplace, but it's filtered specifically for your Jira instance. This is important because it shows you only apps that are compatible with your version. In the search bar, type Xray and press Enter. Now, pay attention to spelling. It's Xray. All caps or lowercase, doesn't matter. You'll see a list of results. Don't get distracted by other test management tools that might pop up. Look for the one that says Xray and has the familiar blue and white icon. From the results, click on Xray, Test Management for Jira. This is the official app by XBlend. Click on the listing to open its detail page. Here's where you'll see all the features, pricing, and user reviews. But we're not here to browse forever. Look at the top right of the page. On the app page, click Try for Free at the top right. That big button. Not Buy Now, not Request Trial, but Try for Free. Clicking that will start the installation process. Now, Jira will want to confirm a few things before it lets you proceed. Review the permissions requested, then click Review. And here's the really important part. Take a second to actually read what permissions Xray is asking for. It needs access to certain parts of Jira to function properly, like issues and projects. I know it's tempting to just click through, but give it a quick glance. If everything looks reasonable, click the Review button to move forward. Finally, click Start Free Trial to begin installation. This triggers the actual install. Jira will now download and configure Xray for your instance. You'll see a progress screen or a loading spinner. Wait a moment while Jira installs the app. This might take anywhere from 30 seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on your server. Don't refresh the page or close your browser. Let it do its thing. In my experience, if you interrupt this step, you'll have to start over from the marketplace. Check that Xray appears in your installed apps. Once the installation finishes, you'll get a confirmation message. To be safe, go back to the Apps section in your left sidebar and look for Xray in the list. If it's there, you're in good shape. Now let's configure the basic settings to get started. Click on Xray in your apps list. You'll be prompted to set up your project association and maybe choose a default test repository. For now, just pick your main project and accept the defaults. You can always tweak these later. Xray will add new issue types to your project, like test and test execution. Don't worry, it's supposed to do that. And that's it. You've gone from not being able to find Xray in the marketplace to having it installed, permissions set, and initial configuration done. Your team can now start creating test cases right inside Jira. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know what you're planning to test first. I'll see you in the next one.